You're welcome to another episode. This is episode 9. And sit back and let's draw the isometric drawing of a fridge. Let's go. So now I'm in my AutoCAD model space now, and my drawing is ready. My paper is ready, and all that I need. Still the same drawing file. So I want to switch to outline first, and also I want to switch to isometric drafting. Okay. Then I'll be drawing my fridge starting from the left. From the left. So I want to pick this point as my base point. From the left. My mouse is not going there, so F5. And this way it's 52. Going up 77. Here 52. And I can close. My left side is done. I can draw the top. This way is also 52. 52. 52. 52. No, that was a mistake. Okay, so now to my front face. 9. 52. F5. 52. Fine. Now I've drawn the fridge body. All that is remaining for me to do is to put the holes inside here. Then put the door. So let me put the hole inside line. We're told that the height of the hole inside is 66. So if that is 66 and this entire length is 77, that makes a difference of 11, meaning from here down will be 11 divided by 2, 11 over 2. You see, one of the very basic advantages of using AutoCAD is this. AutoCAD can make calculations for you on the go. I need just, okay, let me draw the bottom one too. 11 over 2, then 52. Then I need to complete the vertical lines here to make it a complete hole, which we are told that the length here is 42 and the entire length is 52. So 42 removed from 52, that's 10, so that's 5 line 5 going up 66. Okay, same line on the other side. 5 66. Now let me take a zoom at it so that I can trim off the trimmables and delete the construction lines. Delete this. I'll use my trim tool now. Okay. Delete. Trim. Trim. As you can see, little by little, the fridge is coming up. The outline of the fridge is coming up little by little, which is something all of us as designers must have. We must have patience in letting the design to form. Now there's a line here that shows the depth, and the line is aligned to no, let me just draw a long line. So I now use trim to remove the ones I don't need. Okay. Now to the door of the fridge. So I invoke line again. The door is starting somewhere here. It's coming down. Fine. And the door is perfectly opened. The length of the door will be the length of here to here, which is 52. If not, the fridge will not close properly. Oh, there's an error there. 52. Fine. Then the height is 77, just like the height of the fridge. If not, the door will not close the fridge properly. Fine. Now what is left is to add thickness to the door, which we are told the thickness is 4. F5 4 mm. F5 77 4. Perfect. Line again. Now F5 52. Okay. Then there are little appendages there, like there's a stand here, and also there's an handle here, which I will do right now. So line for the stand. The stand is 2 mm, because it has been scaled down generously, and the length is 5 mm. It's been scaled down generously. Coming up 2. Now to make it look 3D, I will need to put a line here. F5. Fine. So trim off. Now then, I'll put the same stand there. Line. F5 2. F5 5. Going up 2. And this time around I'll put the block here. Okay. Going up is 5 2 5, and 5 F5 2. Now as it is here, the stand here, it is here too, so I will need to put that line coming down 2, coming out here is 5 2, then line again, F5. Okay, that distance is 5. Now since the fridge body is already covering that, I need to trim it off, and our fridge is almost done. What is left is the handle here, so we are adding the handle now. I'll still be using my line tool. F5. The handle is 3. Oh, let me even add a special handle to it. 3. comes down, 5. The handle comes down, 5. Then 1. What is that? 5. F5. 5. No, that will be too small. Let's make it 10. Another 5. So 5. Oh, isn't that wonderful? Let me take a zoom here. Line coming down to now, undo, coming down, F5, coming down to, and this way 5. So, and I remove, I trim the trimmables. No, actually, I will need that line. Okay. In fact, I will need this line to extend here. Then I'll call the trim tool. And that is it. My fridge is done. Next, now I will need to do is I will need to join all the multiple lines I've used. Join. Okay, it's pretty joined. Then I will need to move it to position so that my drawing doesn't cross my borderline. Move. Let me use this space to move it. Okay. Then let me write below it fridge dt. A fridge in isometric view. Oh, my fridge looks as if it's missing something, which is most fridge have a divider here. Let me add a divider there. So just look for the midpoints. 52. Oh my. Okay, that was a mistake. The length should be 42. 42. Fine. Then F5 going up to F5, 42. Then the depth, let's use 42. The depth is 42 too. Now the way the fridge is, it will overshadow some places. 1. Let's take a zoom at it. And that is it. My fridge is done in isometric view. The construction, do we need to add hidden line to show the depth and the likes? Not necessarily, but if you like, you can do it. So thank you for watching. It's still your instructor, engineer DBC AT. See you in the next episode.